So welcome everybody to today's live trading room. This is Kyriakos Harilaou, and today we will analyze the FX markets today as a morning brief. Just to say that we have already traded one trade and we made $595 on Aussie dollar. We have shorted Aussie dollar and we made $595. No worries, more trades will come. And let me quickly update you on this before we start. So what are the scenarios we are looking for today? We are looking and we are carefully examining for long positions, possible long positions on USD CHF and USD CAD. So just to update you for USD CHF, we are waiting for the MA of 10 periods to cross above the MA 200 periods, and then we will check for long positions if it doesn't make new lows. The same case is for USD CAD. USD CAD, basically we are waiting for the price to close above all MAs on our 5-minute chart to enter long positions. If it doesn't break yesterday's lows, we will go for long positions. So dollar CHF, dollar CAD, we are looking for long positions. Dollar yen, let me see. Dollar yen, we are looking for short positions if certain criteria are occurred. No long positions from dollar yen. It has already made its move. Maybe it goes higher. We don't care. We care to enter at the beginning of a move. So we are examining the criteria of short positions for dollar yen. For the moment, we are on a standby mode. Same case for euro dollar and euro yen. We are examining the possibilities of entering short positions. No long positions for today because although the market might go up, we prefer to get the downside movement because it has already made some movement and we delayed in entering it. So the other pair is euro yen, is more or less the same as euro dollar. So euro yen, this is euro yen. We are waiting again to enter our setup for short positions. So the setup for today, let me revise that. We are waiting for short positions regarding euro dollar, euro yen. We have already shorted Aussie dollar with a nice profit of high $595. We are waiting for short positions on euro dollar, euro yen. And also we are waiting for long positions on USD CAD and dollar CHF and long positions dollar yen. So long position and short positions dollar yen. So we are looking for short positions on dollar yen, euro yen, and long positions on USD CHF and dollar CAD. As soon, of course, as our criteria are met based on our trading system. Now, the neutral for me pairs for the day, which haven't given any indication so far, is pound dollar. So what we will do, we will have also a close look on pound dollar in case it starts to give us a setup to make. Most probably we will go for short positions as well on pound dollar, but as soon as it gives some setups. So let me sum up. We are looking for long positions on USD CAD and USD CHF as long as they are trading above their yesterday's lows. And we are looking for short positions on dollar yen, and euro dollar as soon as some criteria are met. So what we can see now, the one that approaches for a trade for long positions is USD CHF. Based on our criteria here, we are waiting for the price. We are waiting for the price, as you can see, to go for the MA10 to cross above MA50 and MA200. I repeat, I don't want to see a close below yesterday's lows. So far, so good. So we are waiting for dollar CHF. Most probably is our second trade for today. Until this happens, I would like to remind you not to forget to visit our website, trademy.com. We have great educational training programs. We concentrate not only on theory, but on practical aspects on technical analysis application, all indices, and on Forex training. We can even have a one-to-one session either with me or with my colleague, Elif, and teach you how to successfully trade on our specialty areas. For me, is Forex. For Elif, is CFDs and commodities. Now, let me repeat again, trademy.com. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Our Twitter account is #TrademyA. Also follow us on YouTube. You can subscribe on our Trademy channel on YouTube to watch recorded and live trading room videos just right now. So we are monitoring now dollar CHF. As I said, dollar CHF, we are expecting to enter a long position on dollar CHF as soon as MA10 crosses above MA50 and 200. So we are waiting for a few more minutes for a long position, I repeat, on USD CHF. Let us stay with me for a few minutes. I think we will get that trade, and also we will monitor for MACD when the cross comes to be an uptick above zero. So all eyes now are on dollar CHF. We definitely want to see a cross of the MA10, the red line above both SMA 20 and SMA 50 on the 5-minute chart for long positions. We are getting there, and also we want to see an uptick on MACD above zero value. Most probably we will get it this coming 5 minutes. So I will get my prices ready. 5 lots. We are ready to trade dollar CHF live. We are live in front of your eyes. We are trading live Forex for today, live trading room. So again, follow us on Twitter, #TrademyA. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you like what you see, visit our website, trademy.com. The important thing about us is that there are a number of training programs, free programs, expensive programs, more expensive programs, less expensive trading programs. It doesn't necessarily have to be for you the most suitable, the most expensive package. That's why we have our educational expert who will provide evaluation of your trading skills and trading needs and tactics that you are interested, because not everybody has the same tactic and not everybody has the same risk tolerance regarding investments. So maybe for you is not the most expensive training program, maybe for you is the cheapest training program, the most suitable. So what I would strongly advise you, go to trademy.com, contact our educational consultant and support team, and they will advise you as to which package training program is most suitable for you. So we are watching now dollar CHF live. We are waiting to enter a long position. We want the red line to break above MA 200 periods. It has already done it. Now we are waiting to break above MA 50. So most probably it's coming. We have around 2.5 minutes left. So let's stay together. Get ready for a long position. We are entering long position on USD CHF, 5 lots. So let's wait for the candle to close to go for our second winning trade for the day. Let's see. Let's see, guys, what will happen. We are waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. And we want the MA10 to cross above 50 as well, the yellow line. Let's wait. We have 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Most probably we will go for 20 pips take profit. I repeat, we will go, and here we are, we have the setup, we have just entered long positions on USD CHF. We have entered a long position on USD CHF at 0.98490. Look at that. TP is at 20 pips, 0.9869, and our stop loss, let's check for our stop loss. We will put 5 pips below here, below this bottom. So the stop loss 98.42, 98.31 is our stop loss. So is 98.31 our stop loss, and our take profit is 98.69. So stop loss 98.31 and TP 98.69, and let's see what happens. All right, so that's it for dollar CHF. Let me check and see if we have any other trading setups on the way. So USD CHF, it's out of the equation for today, so we will so this is USD CHF. We will be monitoring that trade. It's a lovely trade. It's a beautiful trade for us. So we are going basically for $1,015, and our risk is $913 on this trade. The money management is also very good. Now let's go for Euro Yen and Euro Dollar. Let me make a small recap. So for Euro Dollar and Euro Yen, what we are waiting for short positions. Let me also see dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is still below the moving average. Is not interested. We are not interested on dollar CAD. We have placed a trade on dollar CHF. Euro dollar. Basically, we are waiting for a close below the MAs of 10 and 50. Let me show you what I mean. We are waiting for a close below these two lines to examine for short positions, and of course we want the same for Euro Yen. So let's check Euro Yen. You see Euro Yen again is well above. So far, look at dollar CHF. Dollar CHF is doing well. As soon as we got it, it started to move up, and most probably it will hit our take profit target. Let's see what we get out of dollar CHF for today. Remember that we have already closed the short position on Aussie dollar of a profit of $595. Now we have entered a long dollar CHF. It looks good. The setups are all okay. So we are going for 20 pips and approximately $1,000 profit. Now regarding Euro dollar, Euro Yen, as I said, we want to see a close below MA10 and MA50. The same for Euro Yen. Pound dollar has not given a setup yet for short positions. We are waiting for pound dollar to give a setup for short positions. So to recap, we have shorted Aussie dollar. We took take profit. Now we went long. Dollar CHF is doing well. It's already making $116. That's nothing compared to what the profit we are expecting to be. We are looking also for dollar yen short positions. We are waiting to see a setup on dollar yen for short positions. We are getting there, but not yet. So dollar yen, we wait. Let me check again dollar yen on maybe on the 15-minute chart. Gave something on the 15-minute chart. Yes. We are waiting on the 15-minute chart. So dollar yen, we had on the 15-minute chart. Let me check it. Actually, it's more or less the same as euro yen. and euro dollar. So most probably we will have a consensus of short positions on these three pairs. So dollar yen is also on our list. It's exactly the same scenario as we did for euro yen and euro dollar. So we will wait and check, and let's see again dollar yen. We will monitor dollar yen. Dollar yen is looking okay for short positions, but we need some setups to be completed. So let me check. Scenario number 1 is okay. Number 2 is okay. Again, we are waiting for the same story for like euro dollar and euro yen. We are waiting basically on dollar yen for the prices to break below MA10 and MA50, and it looks like dollar yen will give earlier the signal of short positions, because as you can see here, the setup is developed much more. You see the difference here. We are still lower than the MA. We have broken the MA10, and now we are approaching to break also MA50. So basically we are waiting for dollar yen to break below MA10 and MA50 in order to enter a short position. So let's keep an eye on dollar yen. Dollar CHF, we have entered the long position, is doing well. So let's keep an eye on dollar yen. So euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen, they all have the same setup for short positions. The only instrument that didn't so far gave us the setup that we need is pound dollar. We will be closely monitoring it, but now all eyes are on USD CHF and dollar yen for short position. So let's monitor dollar yen. It's getting close to our short position. So basically we are waiting for the price to break below MA10 and MA50, and we will see how it goes from there on. Now, for the moment, let's keep an eye on it. We are on hold, and let's see how it develops. So that's it from FX for today. For now, not for today. We definitely have a lot of trading action during the day today. These are the 6 pairs we are closely monitoring. We have already traded Aussie dollar with a $595 profit. We have put a position on dollar CHF, and also we are closely monitoring euro dollar, euro yen, dollar CAD, and dollar yen for any possible long or short positions. I repeat, we are going for short positions today, if possible, for euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen. And we already have a long position on dollar CHF, and we are also looking for long positions on dollar CAD if the setup is completed. Also, pound dollar, we are waiting for pound dollar to begin our scenario of checklist so that we can decide if we will go short on it. Again, it's a short position scenario for pound dollar. So that's it for me for now. I will transfer you now with Elif with the morning update on indices and commodities. So Elif, you can take over. Just a moment to transfer the screen to you.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thanks a lot for your nice introduction in the Forex markets this morning. So from my side, I don't know if all of you noticed, I opened a short position on Italy 40 this morning, and I will explain you shortly later on why I did so. On the same time, welcome everybody. Good morning, Fanos. Nice to see you again. Hope you had a nice day yesterday and you could enjoy our trading. So coming back to our nice indices, I see I had a few days ago we opened a USA 30 position, a Dow Jones position buy, and currently it's making some profits. It was one of those propositions which I was not sure if it's a good idea, and finally it turned out giving us some profits, and we will stick on it, and during the session we will close it with a bit more profit, because I'm expecting now over there a move. If you want to see it, here we go. I expect over here still a bit of a move towards up Bollinger Band. That's why I will not close it, and I will let it to run a bit more today. So from all the other indices, everything opened with a very small gap today. Not a big opening movement, and also since the last 1.5 hours since the markets are open, not a big volatility, unusual for a Wednesday, but still it's a good day to make short, sharp trades. So this is our aim for today: short, sharp trades. So there we go. On France 40, it's ranging, not much to get over here. Let's move to the next one. DAX. DAX is a great one, and I was seeing while I was talking a possible entry level. You see it came close to the upper Bollinger Band. It's on the opening level of today. We had a small drop during the day, and then it had a sharp move over here. It's highly interesting for us today. We will trade on it. So let's go quickly through the other indices and come back to our DAX. So UK 100, UK 100. Also here the same picture, opened with a small gap this morning, moved in the same price range, had small up and downs, and right now it's stable, no sharp movements. That's why we leave it for later on. USA 100, our Nasdaq. Here it's the same picture also here. Today we are expecting some news from the States regarding the trade balance. I don't know if you guys heard about it. The trade balance of the States is unequal, and we will see how the results will be, and I'm sure the markets will react on this news. I know Kyriakos doesn't like to trade on Forex on the news, but for the indices, the market news are quite interesting and important, so I love to trade on it. I see our Italy 40 position, which we opened earlier today, is giving some money, is somehow moving. It's interesting. We see over here directly with Dow Jones the same. Let's go to our Italy 40. We had a sell position, and you see there is some action over there. There is some action. We make currently 530 bucks on Italy 40. We made that within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. Let's see. There is still some air down, so I'm expecting here my take profit to be triggered. Yes, I'm expecting my take profit to be triggered quite soon. We will keep here a close eye, and once our take profit is triggered, I will go long. I see over here it's a general over the day, it's a downtrend. This is clear, as you can see as well. It's a downtrend, but I'm thinking here to make a wave trading, because here you see it goes up and then it comes down. I'm sure it will hit the Bollinger Band and then it will turn up again, and this move we will throughout the day, trade and get into the market, get out the market, get in, get out. This is what we will do today on Italy 40. And believe me, it will be profiting. So on our S&P, let's see what's going on S&P. On S&P, the same tension as we have with the other indices from the States, waiting for some news, and so the market is quite stable and not rangy at all. So let's continue. Silver, we don't trade so much silver, we neglect it, although it's an asset which we should have an eye on. It's a quite interesting alternative to gold, and I think we should not miss opportunities on silver. On silver these days, you see very small movements throughout the day, but in general a nice uptrend, a very clear uptrend in general, and this is good. This is good. However, well, so we go gold. So what's going on gold? Gold, we had a spike during the last hours. You see, the morning hours was quite interesting, and then it started to be ranging. Let's see in a short-term level. I think we have a nice entry point. I think we discovered an entry point over here. Guys, I think we entered an entry point. What do you think? I think we can go here long. I think we can go long on gold. Let's see. Yes, I think we can go long on gold. Let's go long on gold. Let's wait a bit more until our until our MACD. Yeah. Let's go long. Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the clear signal to enter. I'm waiting for the clear signal to enter. No, I will leave it a bit time. On Brent oil, the same. On oil is moving downwards. Has right now a small recovery. But okay, let's go back to our DAX. Oh, we missed the opportunity here. Oh, we missed. Okay, I know that this will go up, so we will enter buy position on DAX. We opened a buy position on DAX. Yes. Oh, we missed the opportunity while talking. It's always, I was sure over there and I was waiting and I was like, no, let's wait, let's check the other ones. And because it was in the opening time over here with this candle, we were looking at it and it was the opening price of the day, and my expectation was like either it will hit and turn back or it will break through, and this is what happened. It breaks through. I had to put over there a buy limit to get the price, but however, it's happening. So let's check what will be our target for this trade. For this trade, our target is 12,000. Our take profit is 12,870. Yes, this is our take profit. Why I didn't got it? So let's do it. Hi, we will go a bit more risky. We will get 12,875, and our stop loss is the day low. Let's take 12,780. There we go. There we go. Yes, over here I'm expecting some money to come in. It will be a good possibility. I will change also here my stop loss and my take profit, and it will be good. So yeah, it's a smaller position. We will it will just hit to get a bit a nice movement here. So well, hello Patrick, welcome. How are you? Welcome, Patrick. So, shortly for you, Kyriakos had some trades. Yes, Patrick, let's make some money. Let's make some money. This is what we want to do, right? So, on Italy, we have a Italy 40 position open right now. We opened it right shortly before our trading session, and then we have also a DAX position open, just now opened. So if you want to enter DAX, there is a pullback, you will get a better price. Now, if you yes, you did. Great, Patrick. This is how I like it. Go and let me see what's going on Italy. If you have still a possibility over there to get some money in, let me see. We had over there a sell position, and we are making currently 530 bucks. I think you are a bit too late for Italy 40, but we will have some nice entries over there. So we will have some opportunities there. Please wait a bit, be patient a bit with Italy, but I'm great that you make DAX. So from my side now, it's okay. I will follow a bit the markets, and I will update you in a short while. In the meantime, Kyriakos will update you now about the Forex markets. Things are moving. So I'm passing to Kyriakos.
So thank you very much, Elif. And Patrick, good morning and welcome. Good morning from me as well. And welcome to today's live trading room. Just a quick update of what we have done on Forex. We have placed in the morning a short position on Aussie dollar, and we made $595. We have entered, while opening the live trading room in front of your eyes, long positions on dollar CHF, 5 lots, aiming for 98.69 level, and our stop loss is 98.31. What else do we expect today? We are waiting for short setup positions on dollar yen, euro dollar, and euro yen. And I repeat, for short, we are waiting for short positions setup to be completed for dollar yen, euro dollar, and euro yen. We have entered long dollar CHF. We are waiting a setup for long positions on dollar Canadian dollar. So short position setup for dollar yen, euro dollar, euro yen, and long positions for USD CAD. We already traded successfully short positions on Aussie dollar, and we have now entered long positions on dollar CHF. Now, what exactly are we waiting now for these three pairs? These three pairs have broken above their yesterday's highs, for example, euro dollar. And now what we are waiting for a break below MA10 and MA50 and a bearish cross of MA10 and MA50. If this occurs, then we will examine the probability of going short. Regarding Euro-Yen, as you can see, more or less is exactly the same. Again, we are waiting for a bearish cross for the price to close below MA50 and MA10. It has closed below MA10 but still above 50, so it's not good for us. So we are waiting for the price to close below both these moving averages, and of course MA10 to cross downwards the bearish cross on MA50, and we will examine again the possibility of going short positions on Euro-Yen and Euro-Dollar. Regarding Dollar-Yen, now Dollar-Yen, as you can see, it has broken above the highs of yesterday's. Let me mark yesterday's highs. Here are yesterday's highs at around 110. We are again waiting on the 5-minute chart to break below. We have broke below MA10, you see here, but unfortunately we didn't break below MA50. So we are waiting to break below MA50, see a bearish cross between the MAs, MA10 and MA50, and then we will examine the possibility of any short positions. Now, dollar CHF, let's see how dollar CHF, okay, Elif has an update on the, has a trading idea on its indices, so I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Guys, our Italy 40 position is very close to hit his take profit, and it's at 1,400 bucks. It's very close to hit. It's another possibility today to get some money in, Wait, it's almost there, guys, almost there. So keep an eye on it. If you opened with me the Italy 40, we are very close to hit our take profit. So be aware of it. I just wanted to interrupt. That's why I wanted shortly to interrupt Kyriakos, just to make you aware of Italy 40 is very close to get the take profit. So be aware. If you are into Italy 40, we are close to close the position. So Kyriakos, please continue. Sorry for the interruption.
I wish all the interruptions, Elif, are like this, making money and for us and for the people. So it was very nice that you have interrupted me. And I wish all the interruptions are like this, basically. All right, let's go back to our dollar CHF trade. As you can see, dollar CHF is developing very well. Of course, Forex is not so fast as indices, so we need to be patient in Forex. And also we need to be very careful when to enter the markets. So what happened with dollar CHF? Here you can see yesterday's price range. We see here that the price opened higher and refused to break the lows of yesterday's lows. So we saw a price closing above all MAs. And okay, one moment, I will transfer you with Elif. I think we hit take profit. Well done.
Jing, jing, we hit our take profit, 1,750 bucks on Italy 40. Guys, Patrick, you saw it, 1,750 bucks this morning within 20 minutes, guys, not even 25 minutes. Not bad, right? Not bad. 1,750 bucks within 25 minutes. Guys, this is our day today. This is our day. We make money on the indices. So what's going on with our USA 30 position, which we keep open for some days? We keep open for some days. Let me see what's going on over here. I'm thinking over here, once it gets a bit higher, now we had some good prices, I will exit the position today during the day and to get some money in. And for the DAX positions, we have opened 2 DAX positions. There is a short pullback for everybody. Yes, thank you, Fanos. Thank you, Fanos. I hope you were in. For everybody who didn't enter with me the DAX position, there is a pullback. You can enter now to get a better price. We trust the movement up. So if you like to open with me the position, go for it. It's a good time for long DAX. Yes, I'm quite happy that we hit our take profit today on Italy 40. We will continue with it. So, Kyriakos, please continue. Sorry.
No worries at all. These are nice interruptions. So today I believe is a great trading day for the live trading room of Trademy. We are also making money on dollar CHF. As you can see, dollar CHF is moving towards our side for today. And I repeat, we are waiting for short position setup on euro dollar, euro yen, dollar yen, and for long position setup on USD Canadian dollar. So the price has nicely broke above so far today's highs and is approaching our take profit target. The profit target for us is approximately at $1,000. We are not moving the stop losses. We are not moving the take profits. If you are happy, however, at any time of the trade with your take profit, feel free to close it. I personally don't like to cut the profits. I don't like to cut the losses. My philosophy is that if you push the button, it's going to be either take profit or stop loss. We are approaching our take profit level. As you can see, we are only 10 pips away from that. We already have a green button here. We have already made $500. We are going to get $1,000 and something dollars if we hit TP, $1,014. I mean, in less than an hour, not bad for a trade. Let's see how it will develop. Let's leave that for the moment. If it hit take profit, I will notify you. We are concentrating now on euro dollar and euro yen for the short position setup that I have mentioned. As we see on euro dollar, we had a close below MAs. So we are waiting for a bearish cross on the moving averages, and we most probably will go short positions on euro dollar. So the only thing that is missing now is for the price for MA10 to cross below MA50, and we will examine and go short. Let's go to euro yen. Euro yen is a bit more back. It has fallen back. You see, euro dollar broke below the MA50, but euro yen is still above. We are still waiting for a close below that to examine and the possibility of short positions. So from the two, it seems that euro dollar will give an earlier short position signal, but we need to wait. We need to see a close below MA50 in both cases first before we observe a bearish cross between MA10 and MA50 and examine for short positions. Now, dollar yen, as you can see here, we are still waiting for the price to break below these two MAs. So for short positions, the fastest for the moment is euro dollar, then is euro yen, and then we have dollar yen. Of course, this can change at any moment. Pound dollar, we are still examining it. It hasn't filled our criteria for a new short position setup, so we are waiting for pound dollar. Dollar CAD, what we are waiting, we want the price definitely not to break the lows of the day, not to make new lows. Remember that yesterday's lows were at this level. We don't want to break 129.13. We don't want to break 129.13. And we are waiting for the prices to close above all MAs. It has closed above the 2. Now we are waiting to close above the SMA 200 to examine our criteria for entering a long position on USD CAD. So just a small recap, what we have done today. We have entered a long position on dollar CHF. It's already running well within profits, still a long way to go up. We are waiting for a short setup to be completed on euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen. So what are we waiting here? We are waiting for the price to close below MA50s on all three pairs, then a bearish cross between MA10 and MA50, and most probably we will go short. And lastly, we are waiting for the dollar CAD not to make new lows, not to be below 129.13, and at the same time to close above SMA 200 periods on the 5-minute chart in order to examine the possibility of any long positions. Plus, we have entered the short position on Aussie dollar this morning, and we made around $595. So that's the Forex update for the moment. Let's check now together where the news announcements that we are expecting for today. So forexlive.com. forexlive.com. This is the website that we are collaborating with. These are our partners. So forexlive.com. This is where we are monitoring the news. forexlive.com. All right. Let's see. Economic calendar. So for today, we have nothing important. We just had in the morning the gross domestic product of New Zealand. It came out better than expected. The expectations were 0.9%. The actual was 1%. It's a quiet day today. We have trade balance in the US at 12:30 UTC time. So I believe this is the most important news for the day. Expectations say for a trade deficit of minus $45 billion. So we'll keep an eye on it and monitor you and update you accordingly. So that's it from me for the moment. I repeat that we're waiting for a short position setup on euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen. We have already entered a long position on dollar CHF, and we are waiting for a long position trading setup to develop on USD CAD. On pound dollar, we are waiting for a new setup to be formed for short positions again. So that's it for me for the moment. I will transfer you to Elif for continuation on CFD and indices.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you, Kyriakos. Yes, well, I don't know if you guys follow us on Twitter. If not, please follow us on Twitter. I just posted my position on Italy 40 also on Twitter. It's the best way to be interactive with us and to have the possibility to get immediate updates. So if you don't follow us on Twitter, please do so. It's #TradeMeA on Twitter. Also, we have now our YouTube channel. So go to our YouTube channel if you missed any trading session to see how we are trading and what we are trading. You can watch our live trading session also later on YouTube. And if you subscribe our channel, you will be always up to date about our new videos. And if you like it, thumbs up, right? So, well, what we are doing on DAX, as I said before, just we have a short pullback. If you want to enter here again, I will do it now. I will open another one position on DAX. My margin is okay. Before, yes, I did before. I missed the opportunity because I know the price will go in our direction. Now I got a better price to catch up a bit our profits and everything will be good. I will put the same take profit limits and we will maximize our profits when the take profit is hit. So our take profit is 12,875 and our stop loss is 12,780. There we go. So we have currently one Dow Jones position open, which we will close today throughout the day. We still wait for a bit more profits over here. And we have our DAX positions open. We got a better price later on, and we will increase throughout the movement our profit on this. So as Kyriakos said, if you wish, we can always have a one-to-one session, and if you are not really informed about our indicators or how to read a chart, we have some nice educational courses on our website, trademy.com. Please visit and have a look and book the package which suits you best. So furthermore, where I'm checking my articles before I start my trading day, I go, as Kyriakos said beforehand, to forexlive.com, and I start my trading day by checking the news from there. So have a look. It's one of the biggest Forex information websites on the market, and any information you need about commodities, about indices, Forex, you can find over there. So feel free to have a look at it, and if you have any questions, we are more than happy to answer all your concerns and questions. So let's have a quick update on indices, if we see any nice possibility to enter the market. So DAX, as we said, we opened another third position to get the better price, and it's already some small profits giving us. UK 100 in a steady movement, not sharp entries, not sharp movement. So over here, not much to get. USA 100, the Nasdaq position. As Kyriakos said, we are waiting for some news today from the States, and because of the news, there is a kind of tension on the market, not big movements from the US indices. USA 30. Yes, there it's going a bit up. We will close our positions throughout the day. Italy 40, again today our money bringing horse, and USA 500. I see that Kyriakos would like to update you. I will shortly pass to Kyriakos, and then we talk again. So Kyriakos, please.
Thank you very much, Elif. Since we are approaching the end of the session, I would like to remind you that we will stay all day with you using the chat room. You can even ask us any questions or any clarification that you need regarding any trades that we have placed, any analysis that we have placed on the instruments we have traded. You can use the chat. We will be here all day up to at least 6 o'clock in the evening. That's 3 o'clock in the evening UTC time, 6 o'clock Cyprus and Israel time. So basically a quick update before we finish. In inverted commas, we will be here with you, of course, all day, this 1 hour session, live trading room session. If we have any trading opportunities, of course, stay with us, because we will enter again live and tell you all the trades that we have placed. Just a quick roundup. We are waiting for short trades, short positions trades on euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen. We are waiting on euro and dollar and euro yen and dollar yen for the prices to break below their MA50s, and observe also a bearish cross between MA10 and MA50s. We will then examine the possibility of entering short positions. We are waiting for long positions on USD CAD as soon as we have a break above all MAs, and check our checklist accordingly and decide for long positions. We have already entered the long position on dollar CHF. This is our long position. This is where we have entered it. We believe that the target price of 20 pips is more than okay and realistic. We have traded 5 lots on that. Our stop loss, we don't want the price to break today's lows. This is all for the moment. Don't forget that we have important announcements regarding United States trade balance expected at minus $49 billion. Don't forget to visit for all the news Forex Live. Our the news that they come out today at 12:30 UTC time in the evening. That's 3:30 Cyprus and Israel time. So let's keep an eye on them. And if I have any opportunities, or if Elif has any opportunities, we will update you accordingly. Stay with us, and we will see you during the day. As I said, if we see any trading opportunities, we'll just jump live and trade them. So for us, for the moment, we will have a pause. We will keep our screens running. If you have any questions, use the chat, but wait, because we are approaching the take profit of dollar CHF. As you can see, the dollar CHF is approaching our take profit level now, less than 10 pips to hit our take profit level. Let me tell you a few things. If at any time during the development of a trade you feel uncomfortable with the trade, or you are comfortable with the profits, you can close it by yourselves at any time you wish. Personally, I don't like to close any positions before hitting take profit or stop loss, but feel free. If you are satisfied with the profits, for example, now we have $600 profit. If you're okay with that, be my guest, close it. Sometimes it will be for your benefit. Maybe it comes here and now falls down, but you got $600, I got the loss. So it's up to you how you will manage the trade. I'm just showing you how I'm managing the trades for the past 13 years of experience that I have on Forex trading. So we are watching now dollar CHF live, approaching our take profit target at 98.69. We are just 8 pips away from our take profit price. And let me tell you one thing, nothing is taken for granted unless a position is closed, okay? So we cannot party yet unless we hit the take profit and we realized the profits or the losses of any position. So we are monitoring now dollar CHF. I believe it will hit our take profit. It's a matter of minutes. We have entered this trade at around how many? We have entered it here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 45 minutes trade, approximately 45 to 1 hour trade. It will give us 1,014 US dollars. Not bad at all for just 1 hour of trading. Let's see how it develops. In the meantime, we need to keep our eyes open for. You remember short positions on euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen, and for long positions on USD CAD. There is no need to watch it all the time. Now, what happened on euro dollar? We have closed below MA10 and MA50. Now we are just waiting for the MA10 to cross below MA50, and then we will examine the possibility of short positions on euro USD. Euro yen is still above 50, dollar yen nothing, so we are waiting. So I think the next trade that it will come on euro dollar, we will update you accordingly when this time comes. So that's it for me for the moment. If we close TP on dollar CHF, I will update you accordingly and go live again and tell you about that. Also, if I have any other trades coming, I will go live again and you will watch us trading live in front of your eyes in Trademy's live trading room. So for the moment, we will mute our sounds. You can still see our screens. This is dollar CHF. Here is our take profit. You can still see the setups on all the pairs. So that's it for me for the moment. I will see you in a few minutes. Thank you. So welcome again, just a quick update of what happened. As you can see, our dollar CHF trade is developing nicely. Now, we have observed a close below MA50 on euro dollar, and as soon as we see a bearish cross between the MAs, we will examine for short positions. Let's see euro dollar. So we are ready for, we will examine the possibility of a short position on euro and dollar. This is our chart. So I repeat that in the next 5-10 minutes, we will have this position, I believe. We want basically the MA10 to cross below MA50 for short positions on euro dollar, plus our filters. We will examine them. Euro yen has not yet broken below the MA50, so we cannot trigger any setup for for short positions. The same for dollar yen. So for the three, the most bearish for the moment, it looks to be euro dollar. Pound dollar, we are still examining the probabilities of entering short position as soon as our criteria are triggered. Nothing has been triggered yet. Dollar CAD, we want the prices to break above all MAs in order to examine the possibility of long positions. So we have a small decline on dollar CHF, but eventually I believe that we will hit our take profit. So all eyes now are on euro dollar to enter our short position. So we are waiting for a bearish cross, and we will see how and when we will enter it short exactly. So that's it for the quick update. I don't know if Elif wants to say something on indices. Elif, it's okay. For the moment, we let it as it is, and we will come back to you shortly. I repeat that we are waiting for a bearish cross on MA10 and MA50 on euro dollar. We had the close below MA50. We are waiting for the bearish cross to examine the probability of going short positions. That's the update for the moment. Stay with us, and if we have anything else, meanwhile, we will interrupt and inform you accordingly. Thank you. Okay, heads up. We are again live. Dollar CHF is closely approaching our take profit target at 98.69. We just have 8 pips left. So we closely monitor that trade now. And hopefully within these 5 minutes, the price will reach our take profit target. Let's see what happens. As I said, the party cannot start unless the take profit is hit and these profits are realized. Now, I repeat that my personal strategy is never to close a position earlier. I always leave the trade and either hit TP or stop loss. But if anyone has followed this trade and you want to close it earlier or cut profits earlier or cut losses earlier, if you are not feeling comfortable or if you want to take some profits earlier than me, please feel free to do that, because sometimes the markets, they might come here, for example, and then go back to stop loss. I'm just telling you that my strategy is never to close any positions before they hit either stop loss or take profit. Going back to our euro dollar trade, so dollar CHF is it has nicely accumulated and nicely broken to the upside. Now it's currently approaching our TP target. When we are going for 20 pips out of this trade, that's with 5 lots, that's approximately 1,000 US dollars profit, 1,014 US dollars, and we are risking 912. So it's more than 1-to-1 our risk reward ratio, which is something that our reward to risk ratio is more than 1-to-1, which I personally prefer to use in the majority of my trades for intraday trading purposes. Now, going back, euro dollar, we had a close below MA50, but we didn't see a bearish cross yet between the MAs and started to go up. The same for dollar yen, the same for euro yen. We will keep monitoring these 3 pairs for possible short positions. Dollar CAD, we didn't manage to break above all MAs. You see that SMA 2 and 200 periods is a very strong resistance level. We will check and see if it breaks above it, and we will examine the possibility of going long pound dollar. We are still waiting for pound dollar to give us a trigger of our checklist for short positions, but nothing has happened yet on pound dollar, so we'll keep monitoring it. Don't worry, the day is still early. We will be with you until at least 6 o'clock Cyprus and Israel time. That's 3 p.m. UTC time. So we are closely monitoring all FX pairs, and Elif is monitoring indices and commodities. And again, if we have any updates, we will contact you directly. So stay with us. If you have any questions regarding the trades and regarding our methodology, or regarding the pairs that we are examining or the indices that we are trading, don't forget to contact us via the chat room. Also, we would like to request for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel has a title of Trademy Trading Academy. Also, you can follow us on Twitter using hashtag Trademy, or visit our website at trademy.com. We have wonderful training programs there for non-experienced, for experienced traders, and our educational support team can even evaluate you and recommend to you the best training program that fits your trading style and your needs as a trader, as an investor. So that's all for the moment, and we will keep you updated for any changes or any other trades that we need to place. Thank you. Okay, welcome again live to our trading room. Our dollar CHF is developing and approaching our entry level. So I hope, guys, you have traded this pair. Patrick, are you with us? Okay, so let's see how it develops. We are just 6 pips away from our take profit target, and of course 6 pips away from $1,013 of profit on one trade. We are still waiting for the setup of short positions on euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen, and we are still waiting for the setup of any long positions on USD CAD. Remember that we have placed already a trade on Aussie dollar for today, short, and we made $595. This is the second trade we placed for today. We are aiming for 100% success rate on Forex. We are going for our second winning trade for today. Let's see how it develops. Hello, Fanos, and welcome. I hope you have traded dollar CHF. Is approaching our take profit level. Patrick, I hope you did as well. Let's see how it goes. We are just 5 pips away from our take profit target. 4 pips now. Is going up. Remember, you can close a trade anytime you wish if you are satisfied with the profits. My personal strategy is to let the trade run. It will either hit stop loss or take profit. As soon as you are feeling comfortable with your risk management and money management ratios, you have nothing to be afraid of. Also, if you have any questions regarding how we trade triple moving average trading systems, how we read and interpret technical analysis indicators in Forex, you can of course visit our training programs through our website, trademy.com. We have great training programs there with great and exceptional educational support. All of our educational support are experienced traders, and they will be more than happy to assist you. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at hashtag TradeMyA, or subscribe to our YouTube channel at Trademy Trading Academy. On our YouTube channel, you can of course watch live our live trading room recordings and any trades we currently place. And we are now watching again, ladies and gentlemen, the US dollar CHF trade is currently approaching our take profit level at 98.69. This is Kyriakos Harilaou live from live trading room, Trademy. Trademy.com is our website. Let's see how this develops. We will stay connected for a few more minutes just to see the trade closing. I'm very confident that the take profit order will be hit. Although I repeat, you can never be 100% sure unless the profits are realized. So we are just 5 pips away from our take profit level. Is at 98.69. We are just 5 pips away from that. Let's see, let's put the 1 minute chart just to see it more clearly. On the 1 minute chart, you see here is our take profit. The 1 minute candle is getting there. So 5 pips away, 4 pips now, 4.5 pips is ranging for the past 4 or 5 minutes, is accumulating most probably to a break to the upside. So let's stay with us and let's see how it develops. Live, we are trading live in front of your eyes. Join our live trading room and see us making money. So we are getting there, just 4.5 pips away from our take profit. You must always have patience and believe in the trading system you have developed. If you want to know how me and my colleague Elif we are trading, we can also, through our website trademy.com, we can also arrange one-to-one live sessions and support you and show you and explain to you very clearly how we use all these technical indicators on Forex trading with me and on CFDs, indices and commodities with Elif. So we are monitoring now live our long position trade taken 1 hour ago at 98.49 on USD CHF, and our take profit is currently the market is currently approaching our take profit. We are aiming for 20 pips take profit, and we have traded a 5 lots position size. That's more or less 2 times our current account value. So we are using a leverage of 2 times on this trade, 5 lots. So we will stick to that and watch it, how it develops. Now we are just 4 pips away from our take profit price. I repeat, if you feel okay, you can close it before. I don't do that. Now, just 4 pips, we will see that trade closing live. That's 4.5 pips now. The market, I believe, it would slowly hit our take profit target. So unless this is done, let me switch to my other pairs in order not to miss any trading opportunities. Short positions for euro dollar and dollar yen and euro yen, no. Setup for short positions for pound dollar, no. Maybe we will have a setup if it doesn't break dollar CAD, if it doesn't break the MA 200 and breaks below yesterday's lows, it will give us a setup for short positions. But as soon as it is trading above yesterday's lows, and we will go for long positions. So we're waiting for dollar CHF to hit our take profit target. For the moment, we are on a standby mode for short positions for euro dollar, dollar yen, and euro yen. So we are just waiting for dollar CHF. Let's have another look on it. So we are monitoring now dollar CHF live on the 1 minute chart. We see that the price find nicely support on MA10. We don't care on the 1 minute if it breaks MA10 or MA50 or whatever. Our take profit target is 98.69, and I believe that we will get it eventually. It's troubling us a bit, but what makes me feel confident about it is because we have broken above this trading range. So the market was trading a trading range, ups and downs, and here we see a clear break above. That's why we have entered a long position, and we are going for 98.69 for take profit. All right, I will notify you if we hit take profit, and I will update you live for any updates we have regarding any other additional positions. So for the moment, we are watching live USD CHF. Stay with us and let's see if it hits take profit. Now it rallies to the upside on the 1 minute chart. That's a nice bullish engulfing pattern on the 1 minute chart. Of course, is not reliable since we are talking about 1 minute charts. Just in theory, in general, have in mind that the candlestick patterns as soon as you move down time frames, they are less reliable. What do I mean by that? A bullish engulfing pattern, for example, on the 1 minute chart is not so reliable, and it doesn't have a higher successful rate than the bullish engulfing pattern, for example, on the 15-minute chart or in the 1 hour chart. So let's see how it develops. Hopefully we can see it live hitting our take profit. It's a small trading range here. Prices have stacked within this narrow trading range for the past 9 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes. But we strongly believe that the price will break above this narrow range. It's now breaking above, and eventually it will hit our take profit. So we are closely monitoring that. The reason I have connected with you is to show live. All right, thank you very much, Patrick. I hope you enjoy it. We are going actually with 5 lots, and we are aiming for $1,013 profit today. Remember that this is our second trade for today. We have already shorted Aussie dollar and made $595 profit. Unfortunately, that was before the live trading room starts. Today, we have placed, this is the second trade for the day. We went long dollar CHF in front of your eyes during the live trading room hours, and we are now aiming for $1,000 profit. Is getting there. 98.67. 6 is getting there. We are looking for 69 figure there. We want the dollar CHF to reach 98.69. I repeat that you can close the position anytime you want if you are satisfied with the profits. My strategy, I leave the trade as it is. And yes, guys, we have just made $1,000 on dollar CHF. This is our first trade for the day. This is the second trade for the day. We had a small accident on the platform in the morning. No worries, we recovered. So we have made an additional $1,013 on dollar CHF. So dollar CHF, what we do now, we just forget about dollar CHF. It has given the money. So we just, maybe we cross out the chart. So let's cross out the chart of dollar CHF. Thank you very much, dollar CHF, for today. Now we will concentrate on euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen and dollar CAD. Let me minimize a bit pound dollar. It didn't give us a setup so far, so I will minimize pound dollar. Let's concentrate on these 4 pairs that are interesting. And if I have any other trades, I will update you accordingly. Thank you very much and stay with us.
Hello and welcome to this training session and educational session. My name is Kyriakos Karelau, and today this is session 1 of practical analysis, practical technical analysis and trading psychology. by the end of this chapter, you should be able to understand the content and meaning of the golden triangle of success. For every trader to be successful, he needs to have three components in his mind, which he should follow at all times. So all successful traders have managed to correctly manipulate to their favor these three components, and this is exactly what we are going to do today. The second thing that we will do is for you to understand and implement under live trading conditions the steps for performing technical analysis on FX charts, and we will concentrate to short-term and intraday trading purposes. Now, the golden triangle of success. Many traders keep asking me, what do I need to become a trader? And why I'm not a successful trader, why I fail, or why can I do this as a part-time job? Can I be a full-time trader? Does it make any difference? Well, in this session, we will answer all these questions. The first thing that you need to have when you want to become a trader is to have a trading system. And when we say have a trading system, it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be a trading system that someone else's who is successful is following you. It's very crucial to understand that each one of you is different from the person sitting next to you. So make sure the trading system that you will develop best suits your trading profile. And what do I mean by that? There are traders that push the button, make a trade, make an investment, and they don't place a stop loss. But these traders have a big equity to manage, and they call it long-term trading. Another trader may be a trader who scalps. I mean, 7, 8 pips on Forex and closes a position. For you, for example, the best trading strategy can be intraday trading, to go for 25, 30 pips, or even short-term trading, to go for 100, 200 pips. So there are so many strategies. So the first step for you is to decide what type of trading, what type of strategy best suits you, your needs, based on your time availability, based on your capital or investment availability. As soon as you decide on which system, on which strategy best suits you, then the second step is to visually test it on a chart using historic charts. So as soon as you define the parameters of your trading strategy, go back and test it visually, or back test it if you develop a trading algorithm. As soon as you believe that it's okay, they are excited if the demo backtest works. Usually you need to discount the results of a backtesting or a demo account, usually discounted by 20 to 30%. So as soon as you visually test it on a chart, try it on a demo for at least 3 months, for at least 3 months. Why 3 months? Because during the current market conditions, these 3 months will reveal all the possible scenarios and all the possible accidents in brackets that can happen while trading. And if this is okay and you're satisfied with the results, you can go to a live account. But here, be careful. My advice is not to make a big investment here. You can start with a smaller account, for example, $10,000, and your leverage on that should be very small. Let's say half of your account size, 0.05, that's 5,000. Don't feel disappointed when a losing strike occurs. Don't expect to have a system that it is 100% correct. Personally, my system gave 20 consecutive losing trades when I first tested. 20 consecutive losing trades, but I didn't get disappointed. I continued, and then I got a profit. So stick to your system. Follow your psychology. It is absolutely fine not to trade every day. Nobody's forcing you. It's your money, it's your account, it's your schedule. It's not. We don't force you. Nobody is forcing you to trade every day. And it is highly advisable to take a break from trading to clear up your head. It's not a wise thing to sit in front of the screen for 8 hours. It kills you psychologically. So take a break, go out, take a coffee, come back. If you trade in order to make a living and for survival purposes, then don't trade. Make sure you have enough capital to survive for at least 2 years. So as soon as you sit in front of the screen and you say, oh my God, I have expenses, I have kids, I have loan installments, and I must make 2,000 euros this month from trading in order to survive, then I guarantee you will lose before you even start. So it is very important that when you trade, your psychology and emotions are in harmony. When you trade, make sure you can survive for the next 2 years at least, before you start making a decent income out of trading. And the third component, and equally important with the other two, is called money and risk management. Now, this is where most people get it wrong. When I say money and risk management, I mean to set up clear risk management rules. No if one and if two and hypotheses. Set them from the beginning straight away. Calculation of risk per trade or capital drawdown per trade. So many people are pushing the button and they don't know what their monetary risk is. If I hit stop loss, how much I will lose? That's absolutely not acceptable. You need to make sure that you know all these things. And third is stick to the rules and never ignore them. As soon as you set up your rules, stick to them. Because if you ignore them, it's a matter of time to burn your account. A good trading system can make you money. A good risk management policy can create immense wealth. So if you have a good trading, persistent price or time of our trade investment. So the signal chart will tell us when to enter the exact price that we will enter the market. So just to sum up, the big picture, we never trade it, we just get the bigger trend. The directional movement chart is better to confirm the trend of the big picture, but not a must. And here we identify the current trend and the exit levels of our positions. And from the signal chart, we identify the entry level, the exact time that we will push the button, the entry level for our trade or investment. Once you choose your preferable trading time frame, then you need to perform the following procedures as listed below. And this is a classic flow of process that I'm personally following when I'm making trading decisions. I identify the trend of the big picture chart and mark i.e. divergences. Now, if the directional movement confirms the big picture chart, then switch to the signal chart and number one, draw and mark FIBO 50 and 61.8%. Retracement levels of the last move of the directional movement chart. Number two, look for oversold conditions on oscillators, RSI, MACD, etc. Three, wait for a bullish pattern to complete, a failure swing, a candlestick pattern. For once 0.3 is observed, then you can have the orders 1.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. And this is the end of this session. And this is the end of this session. Thank you very much for watching. And I will see you again in session number 2 of practical and technical analysis and trading psychology. Thank you.
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello again and welcome to session 2 of practical technical analysis and trading psychology training seminar. This is Kyriakos Karelau, and today we'll continue with the session 2 of this session. And today we'll continue with the session 2 of this session. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's start. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to understand the phrase, having a system is not as important as following the system. Understand your trading system, check its preparation, and how to determine entry and exit levels. Correct position sizing calculation and risk management procedures. Understand the phrase, having a system is not as important as following a system. Many traders, from my experience, they claim that they have a system, but for some reason, sometimes they don't follow the system. And here I list 3 classic examples of what is happening to non-experienced traders while trading. In order to understand this phrase, I gave you 3 examples. Example number 1. Today, my system indicated short positions, but since the instrument is falling for 5 consecutive days, I had a feeling that it will start going up, so I have entered a long position. I'm sure many of you have come up with this during your trading life. This is absolutely wrong to do. Follow the system. Avoid emotional trading. Now you will tell me, is it possible it's falling for 5 consecutive days? Is it possible to have a 6th down day? Yes. The probability suggests that since it's falling for 5 consecutive days, the probability suggests that yes, since the system is indicating a downside movement, it will continue to fall. We are not the ones who determine a top. We are not the ones who determine a bottom. We are trying to follow the big players of the markets. Example number 2, which is a very common scenario. A friend of mine who has much more experience than me in Forex trading called me and told me that the pound-dollar rate will go up. So I entered long positions for the day. This is absolutely, again, wrong. Follow your system, not your friends. No matter if they claim that they have experience. You have a system, as we have seen in session 1, you have followed all the steps, you have back-tested it, you have tested it on a demo, you have tested it on a live. Trust the system and simply follow it. Example number 3. I have been trading using my system for the past 2 months and accumulated a nice profit of 25%. But the past 4 days keeps losing me money. Current profit is down by 5%. I'm total up 20%. So I believe my system does not work anymore, and thus I will change it. That's absolutely the wrong and incorrect thing to do. Follow your system. It is absolutely normal to have drawdowns. And as I said in session 1, when I was testing my system, the first 20 trades were a losing phase. And then the account turned positive. Don't get disappointed. Stick to the plan. So having a system is not as important as following a system. It's not as simple as say, I'm trading using a system, my system, but you never follow it. So as soon as you have a system, make sure you follow it. Understand your trading system, checklist preparation, and how to determine entry and exit levels. When you develop your system, prepare a checklist. It is much better to have a visual consensus of the bullish bearish signals when entering a long or short positions. Don't say, I remember it, I will not write it down. Write it down, prepare a checklist. Don't manipulate, and this is very important, don't manipulate the checklist results. Be cold-blooded. Just tick mark on the checklist whatever you observe and not what you think or wish to observe. That's another very important point. Adopt a rating of importance. And bullish observation on the directional movement chart has much more validity and importance than a bullish observation on the signal chart. Make sure overall consensus rating procedures confirm the type of investment position you are about to take. If, for example, you have a consensus of long positions on your checklist and the instrument is rising for the past 10 days, don't enter short. Your system is saying long. Adopt clear criteria for the exact entry levels. List the criteria, analysis conditions that you need to observe, confirm on the signal chart to enter a position or a trade. For example, do you need 100% confirmation of all the criteria, or just above 75% consensus is enough? Adopt clear exiting strategies procedures. Monitor and manage the trade. List possible scenarios that, if observed on the chart, might force you to close the trade prior to hitting a stop loss or your take profit orders. Don't be afraid to cut profits or losses before. If you are exiting strategies procedures, instruct you to do so. There's absolutely nothing wrong there. If the trend or if you observe anything based on your exit list procedures that is telling you to exit the position, act like a killer. Do it now, don't wait. And this is an example of a checklist I personally use. We say to list down all the instruments that we examine, all the indicators, all the moving averages, all the price patterns. We said to adopt a rating. If I'm an intraday trader, this means that my directional movement will be the 1 hour chart and needs to have more rating than the monthly chart, for example, or the daily chart. As you can see here, I have almost double weight on the intraday or the 4 hour chart than the short-term chart, for example. Perform a rating procedure. And this is an example of a checklist I'm personally using. And now we are looking at euro-dollar, for example. This was lastly updated 11th of May. And I saw, based on my system, that I had 85% probability to get a successful short position. This is how a checklist should look like. Another thing that is very important is to have a correct position sizing calculation and risk management procedures. If you lose 5% of your account, then the gain required to break even is 5.2%. If you lose 10%, then to break even, you need to make 11.11%. If you lose 15%, then you need to make 17.6% to break even. If you lose 20%, then you need to make a return of 25% to break even. So up to this point here, things can be reversed to break even. But from the orange part to the downside, most likely you will never recover. And that is the main reason why the majority of portfolio managers stick to the maximum capital drawdown percentage between 15 and 20%. Because if you lose 50%, it means that you need to make 100% recovery to break even. If you lose 75, you need 300%. And if you lose 90% of your capital, you need 900%, which is almost impossible to do. So make sure you stick to the green part as far as capital drawdown is concerned. We are talking about maximum annual capital drawdown. If you lose this money in a year, stop trading next year. What are the types of determining your stop loss? There are 3 types of stops. You can have the money stop. For example, if you lose $100, you will close your position. You have the percentage of capital stop. For example, if I lose 1% of my capital, I will close my position. And you also have the time stop. For example, if the trade does not close by 7 p.m., I will close it. How do you determine now the correct position size in Forex using a money stop? For example, you want to go short on euro-dollar with a 25 pips stop loss and a money stop of $300 for this trade. So in other words, your stop loss was predetermined at 25 pips and you don't want to lose more than $300 on this trade. What is the formula for that? To find the exact position size to fulfill the criteria of 25 pips and $300 money stop. The formula is stop loss in monetary terms divided by the stop loss pips. So the product position size is $300 divided by 0.0025. So this means if you do the maths, it's 1.2 lots or a position size of 120,000. So in this, by using this formula and having in mind the stop loss in pips and the money stop you want to place, you can automatically determine your position size. And this completes session 2. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next training session. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.
So I hope you have enjoyed our live video, recorded video lecture. So I hope you can all hear me and see my screen. So let's have a quick update on what is going on Forex. As we see, we have a possible setup for short positions on dollar CAD. As you can see, the price has broken below yesterday's lows, and we will keep you updated for any possible positions, short positions on dollar CAD. We have eliminated the possibility of long positions, as we said in the morning, since the market has broken yesterday's lows. So looking on the 15-minute chart, let's see dollar CAD again. You see here were the lows. Just a moment. Here were the lows of yesterday. Here are yesterday's lows, and we had a close below, so it's cancelled. So these are the yesterday's lows. So we had a close below, so forget about long positions. Now we will check the setup for short positions. Now regarding, let's switch back to the 5 minutes to monitor that. Now regarding euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen, we cannot touch yet for short positions. We are waiting for the price to break below MA10 and MA50 in all 3 cases, and we will check accordingly for any short positions. Now regarding pound dollar, we are still waiting for confirmations for entering short positions on pound dollar. So for the moment, nothing important occurs. It's a quiet day for today, for the moment, for the pairs, but I think they will get very active, especially during the US session opening, which is approximately in 2 hours. However, don't forget that at 1 o'clock UTC time, 4 o'clock in the evening, we will enter again the live trading room and we will examine together with a leaf any trading opportunities on indices and commodities. In the meantime, stay with us. I will personally keep you updated for any progress we do or any trades we place regarding Forex. So for the moment, we are silent. Thank you. Okay, this is Kyriakos Kagelaou from FX Trading Desk of Trademy. Our setup for short positions on euro dollar, euro yen, dollar yen has been resumed. What we are waiting to see here, we are going to enter short positions when the setup completes based on the criteria checklist I have in front of me. First of all, we need to see a close below MA50 and then a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50 in all three pairs. Then we will check accordingly and decide whether or not we will enter a short position. So stay with us, because in approximately 15 minutes, most probably we will have some trades more to enter for today. Now, regarding dollar CAD, in order to touch dollar CAD, it has made new lows for the day, so we have eliminated any long positions. What we are looking for is our criteria now for short positions. However, we need the setup to be completed in our checklist, all the points to be ticked before we enter a short position on dollar CAD. So let me revise what I have just said. We are getting ready for short positions on euro dollar, dollar yen, and euro yen, and maybe long positions on USD CAD. As a first step, we need to see on euro dollar a close below MA50, on dollar yen a close below MA50, and on euro yen a close below MA50. And also the second step is to see a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50 in all three pairs. Then we will come back again and examine our case for short positions. We are getting closer. Let's see if these checklists will be satisfied so that we can enter a short position. Now, as we can see here on dollar yen, we just had a close below MA50. So we will wait and see if we have a bearish cross. Okay, if it crosses again above MA50, then we will need to wait again for a close below it. The trading range in the last few minutes on dollar yen, euro dollar, and euro yen is very narrow. So this means that a big movement is expected when the candles are very small and a very narrow trading range. Big movements are usually expected. So it seems that for all the three now, roles have changed. The most bearish for the moment and closer to give us a short position is actually dollar yen. You see these two are going up, but dollar yen is falling. Why? Because euro dollar is rising at a faster rate than euro yen, and this has a declining effect on the dollar yen. So we will see how it goes and we will update you accordingly. We are getting there. I repeat, we're waiting for MA close below MA50 and a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50. As soon as we see that in any of these three pairs, I will come back and tell you and trade with you live the pair that does that first, plus some other criteria that we have on our checklist. Now, regarding dollar CAD, in order for any positions to be triggered, we need to see as a first step a close above the yesterday's lows. So basically I'm looking for a close above 129.14, which was yesterday's lows, 129.13, 129.14 on a 5-minute basis. So once we see that, then we will move on to examine our steps on the checklist for any short positions on dollar CAD. So for the moment, the only pair that confirms short positions is dollar yen. We need to see a bearish cross of MA below MA50, and as soon as we see that, I will come back with you and check whether or not we will push the button for the third time today and short dollar yen. For the moment, stay with us and I will come back. In the meantime, if you have any questions regarding these pairs we are examining, you can chat with us and we will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. So stay with us. trades are coming. Let's make some money then. Bye for now. So hello again. Our setup for short positions on dollar yen is approaching. So as we can see, the price is below MA50 on the 5-minute chart. We are just waiting for a bearish cross of the moving average to enter short positions. Now the only concern that I have is that this is our take profit target. If this occurs right now, and here is our take profit target basically. So 109.95 is our take profit target. We will see if we reach it there. So we're just waiting for a bearish cross. Let me put my take profit just to have everything ready. So 109.96 including the spread. So there is my profit, and my stop loss will be, let me check my checklist, 5 pips above this point. So how much is this? Is 16, 20, 21 plus the spread 22, 23 is our stop loss. Let's see how it goes, including the spread. So there is our stop loss, 110.23. So we are getting there. Let's see if we will observe a bearish cross on the MA10 and MA50 on dollar yen. I'm getting ready. We're about to short 5 lots. Most probably not in these 5 minutes. Most probably we will short them in the next 5 minutes. We need to wait, however. We have predetermined our stop loss and take profit levels. 110.23 is my stop loss, as I said. Let me adjust that. 110.23. So we are getting ready for a short position on dollar yen as soon as we see a bearish cross of these two lines, MA10 and MA50. Let's check other pairs. Euro dollar, not yet. Euro yen is getting there. So dollar yen and euro yen. Dollar yen is the #1 candidate. Let's wait. We have 30 more seconds. If we observe a bearish cross, then we will go for it. Let's check and see how it behaves. The risk reward is not so great on this trade, but I will go for it. It's a high probability trade. So we observed, we need to wait for this minute candle as well to close, because if we take that, it's not closed yet. We need this 5-minute candle to close. So in 5 minutes, if the scenarios stay as they are, we will enter a short position on dollar yen. The cross is not yet clarified, so let's wait for 5 more minutes and we will get there. So euro yen, let me check euro yen. Euro yen is following dollar yen basically. Euro yen is trying now to break below the MA50. As you can see, this is euro yen. If we see a bearish cross and again a close below MA50 and again a bearish cross on MA10 and 50, then most probably we'll enter a short position on dollar yen as well, on euro yen as well. So for the moment we are watching dollar yen, euro yen. Most probably we will enter a short position in at least 10 minutes. Dollar yen, I think we will enter it in less than 5 minutes, actually in 4 minutes. Come on, we are waiting for the final confirmations for short positions, ladies and gentlemen, on dollar yen. I'm just taking my list here. So only one criteria is not fulfilled. We need to see a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50 for a short position. I will put my stop loss just to be ready. 110.23, 109.96 is my take profit. And as soon as we have a close on this candle and everything stays as it is right now, I will go for a short position. The higher it goes to close, the better the risk reward management ratio will be for us for this trade. So we are waiting. We have almost 2.5 more minutes left for our third trade today. So let's see how it behaves. Actually, the take profit changes. I will put it in a while, not now. We will wait. We have other scenarios for take profit, but the stop loss remains as it is. It actually changes as well. Okay, let's short it first, and then we will decide. Let me check here and make sure. 14.8. Okay, we decide. So let's get the short position done first. So we have 2 more minutes for our short position. 2 more minutes for our short position. So let's delete that. That's not our profit. It will go lower than that. So we are waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. Our stop loss stays there at 110.23. So we have, let's have everything ready. Short the dollar yen. Stop loss 110.23. TP will be determined in a while, depending on what this candle will do. Come on, we need you to go up to get a better price. So get ready, guys. We have our third trade for today in approximately 50 seconds from now. I repeat, we are waiting for a confirmation of a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50. I personally want this candle to go up, not down. Just to confirm in order to have a better short price, but it's not up to me. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Come on. Don't break the low of the candle. I want a better price. We have 10 more seconds. Go up, go up, go up to have a better short position. Come on, and a better target price. It's very important not to break the lows. So we are going short. So we just shorted 5 lots, dollar yen, with stop loss 110.23. And our take profit for this trade will be, just a second to determine that. Our take profit for this trade will actually be 109.90. So this is our take profit for dollar yen, 109.90. This is our take profit for dollar yen, 109.90 is our take profit. So we have shorted it. It's doing well. It will do great. So let's check also euro yen. Euro yen is getting there. We will try our best to make more money for you today. So we are waiting now for a short position on euro yen. We are also waiting for a short position on euro dollar. So everything is going according to our plan. let's have a look on dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we're getting ready for a long position for dollar CAD. Too much action, okay, today in Forex. So it seems that we will have a short position on dollar yen as soon as we see a bearish cross of the MAs. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. And also we'll have a short position on euro and dollar very shortly. So yes, we have action in Forex. Eventually we have action in Forex. Dollar CAD, let's see how it does. It's still a long way to go up to initiate our checklist for short positions. So we have just shorted dollar yen. Okay, this is our dollar yen trade. So basically we risk $736 and we are aiming for $763. Is a bit more than 1-to-1, which is absolutely fine for me. So let's see how it behaves and hopefully we can make some more money for you today. So the other pairs to watch for now is euro yen. I'm closely monitoring now euro yen. Maybe we'll have a short position again on euro yen. So let's see euro yen, where we are waiting for a bearish cross of MAs. All right, let's see. We are waiting for bearish cross on the MAs to go for a short position on euro yen. So far, this is not observed, so we wait. So let's wait. Dollar yen, everything is ticked, so it's out of the way. And also, of course, we have pound dollar. Nothing to say about pound dollar. It's not ready yet. I don't know what we'll do. It's not ready to trigger our checklist for short positions. So all eyes now are on euro yen. It has broken below MA50 and we're just waiting for a bearish cross on MAs 10 and 50 to initiate our fourth position for the day. That will be a short position. So we need to wait. Let's see how it goes. We are getting there. Lots of action in the afternoon as expected. Let's see how these guys behave today. $30 more seconds for a possible bearish cross on euro yen. 30 more seconds. And most probably we will need 5 more minutes to confirm it. So let's wait and see how it goes. No, we didn't observe a bearish cross. We need to wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, I'm closely monitoring everything now. That's a critical moment for the pairs. Very critical moment. Because, you know, maybe it does the setup, but during the confirmation reaches already our target. In this case, I will not place the trade at all. So we need the prices to stay there with us before we short them. I mean, if this candle closes here, okay, we will have a confirmation, but I will not place a trade because the target was already met. So we need to carefully monitor all the possible scenarios. So euro dollar is getting there. We will have shortly a close below MA50 for a short position, and we will check. Let's see. For the moment, all eyes are on euro yen to initiate our fourth trade for today. So wait. I think we need to wait for 5 or even 10 more minutes for Euro Yen to be confirmed. We definitely don't want to see a close above the MA50, but we will see. It's from 5 to 15 minutes max. So I will keep monitoring that. Stay with us. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. We have 3 more minutes for the candle to close. So did anybody traded dollar yen? Has anyone shorted with us dollar yen? Most probably you are a bit anxious now because it's losing a bit. Probability suggests that most probably we will get this trade right as well. It's absolutely normal what happens now in dollar yen. So let's see about euro yen. Euro dollar is falling. Euro yen. Let's check again euro yen. Let's check euro yen. Let's see. Let's get ready. Euro yen. $129.14 most probably will be our take profit. 129.15 129.15 most probably will be our take profit target. Let's check and see. 129.12 but 13 14 129.14, but we need to wait for the confirmation. I repeat, we are looking for a close, for a bearish cross of MA10 below MA15. MACD is ready, confirmed, everything confirmed. So we are waiting for a bearish cross. Just ticking my checklist. Not yet. Not yet. We need a bearish cross. So not yet. So we need to wait. Let me check euro dollar. Euro dollar still a lot to do. Didn't manage to close below MA50. Euro yen did. Dollar yen is there where we have shorted it, just 2 pips above. No big deal. So we are waiting for a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50. So 5 more minutes or max 10 more minutes for this trade to appear. Remember, our take profit is at, we will check about the profit when we short it, but it's going to be approximately at 129.15. Okay. Euro dollar. We're still waiting for a close below MA50. So dollar we wait. Now we're examining euro yen. While dollar yen short position is running, as you can see here, we have shorted dollar yen at 110.068, stop loss 110.23, and take profit 109.90. So we are getting there. Let's see. We want a bearish cross. Of MA10 below MA50. We wait for that. Euro dollar, nothing yet. Dollar yen, we're getting there. This is the spread cost on 5 lots. So this is our short position level and we are in the money now. However, as I said, we are going for $760 on dollar yen, risking $735 is more than 1-to-1, which is absolutely fine for us. So euro yen, we are just waiting for a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50 to go for a short position, and our take profit will be 129.15 most probably. We will check about that in a minute when we short the trade, when we open the position. So we wait. Let's wait then. Euro dollar, euro yen, dollar yen. Let's see. All right, Elif has just gave me a notification that we have upcoming news. So we have upcoming news coming up.
Yes, they just announced. Basically, it's all better than expected. The USD PMI was expected 55.7 and it came out 56.8.
Elif, can you switch on your microphone because we can't hear you? And what is the news announcement you have just mentioned?
Hey, Kyriakos, basically, we just had the news out from the States. PMI was expected to come out 55.7, and the result is 56.8. So we expect over here some kind of movement to, since it's a quite positive result.
All right. Okay, thank you very much for the update. And
You're
also,
welcome.
trade balance came out 30 minutes ago, better than expected for the US. Instead of a deficit of $49 billion, they have shown a deficit of $46.2 billion. So welcome everybody. Welcome Sebastian. Hello Patrick. And hello Fanos. So we are looking now for a setup for a possible short position on Euro Yen. We have actually shorted dollar yen. As you can see, we have opened 5 lots at this blue line here at 110.068. Our stop loss is 110.23 and our take profit is at 109.90. Our risk reward ratio is greater than 1 to 1. I know that it's 4 o'clock and Elif should start the afternoon session, so I will stay with you for a bit more until I'm sure that we don't have any trades coming. We are ready for a short position on Euro Yen, and most probably we will enter a short position on Euro Dollar as well if the setup is completed. If we have any trades executed, I will post them in the chat room. So, Elif, shall we proceed with the afternoon session? Is it okay? All right, Elif is 100% ready, so I'm transferring you now to Elif for the afternoon session of CFDs, indices, and commodities.
Hello guys, welcome to our nice afternoon session. We had this morning quite nice winnings on 2 of our let me show my screen. So we had this morning our positions on Italy 40 and USA 30, and we made this morning $2,223 on these 2 positions. We opened also 3 positions on DAX, which in the meantime it reached a high level, but before it reached our take profit, it turned back and now it has an upwards trend, but I believe on my decision, and in a short while I will open another 1 position, long position on DAX once this move over down will recover. So there I will enter again a long position. So getting ready for that. On the same time, let's have a short look what happened on the indices. I see right now a very, very nice entry point on CAC 40. There is also a nice downtrend. Let's see if on the 5 minutes chart. Oh yes, you see it's very nice. It's in the oversold area. Yes, it's very, very nice. I think we will make over here a sharp move into the market and exit it immediately. So guys, I'm going short on CAC 40. I just opened a position on CAC 40 and I will put now my take profit and stop loss. You see, very, very nice. It breaks through the low limit for the last few hours. Here it breaks. This was our support level. Let me put this here was our support level, and it tried once, twice, third, and in the 4th time it break through, and now I guess it will go down. So we went short on CAC 40. Let's put some target prices, because as you know, we never leave any trade naked. So we will put our take profit at 5,420.50. Yes, and our stop loss we put at 5,465. This is how we do it. I opened my position, and let's put it also on chat for everybody who didn't have the chance to follow me to have a nice look over here. So it's short CAC 440, and we entered at 5,441. Our stop loss is 5,465.50, and our take profit is 5,420. So that's what we do. Guys, please remember, if you have any questions or something is not clear, just type us your question on chat so we know what's going on, what you want to know, and I will shortly explain you and answer your questions. Otherwise, please don't forget to visit our webpage trademy.com to check out our courses and our nice educational and informations. You can always have a look over there. On the same time, hold on, I'm checking here if I need to modify some of my stop loss. Let me see here. No, I will not modify my stop loss. I will leave it. And the reason why I will not modify it is basically I see over here on the stochastic oscillator that the trend is coming to an end. You see, shortly to explain you our stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator is showing you if an asset is oversold or yes. No, I will not change my stop loss. I will leave it there. So a stochastic oscillator basically is showing if an asset is overpriced or underpriced. How it's showing, we see that the chart of the stochastic oscillator is split in three. You see below 20% and above 80%, and the big middle between 20 and 80. So if the stochastic oscillator, the fast one and the slow one, are crossing over below 20% in this area over here, which I'm showing right now, this means that the underlying asset is underpriced. So we expect the price to go up. This is what the stochastic oscillator is showing. On the same time, if we see a crossover like here, and you see it very well on the chart, if we see a crossover above 80%, here it was exactly at 92%, this shows that the underlying asset, in this case DAX, was overpriced. And it's most likely the price to go down. And this is what happened, as you can see over here. And as we had the crossover here, right now you see that the price goes up. We can have a close look also on the 1 minute chart. And once again, you see here we had a crossover and the price started to go up. But you see this movement very, very clear here on the 5 minutes chart. Over here we had a crossover. The price was overpriced. The asset was overpriced, so the price dropped. We had a crossover here and the price started to go up. And because of this, I will not modify my stop loss over here because I expect the price to go up. So that's the reason behind. Well, after explaining shortly our indicator, if this explanation was not clear enough and you wish to get more information on indicators, please do not hesitate to visit our webpage or contact our support team to arrange a one-to-one session. So after we explain shortly our indicator, Let's see what's going on with the other assets. Let's see over here. USA 100. Also, you see it very, very well here. A crossover and the price starts to go up. So, but here I don't have a confirmation from the RSI to go long because I see the RSI has a down slope. So I will keep away from this position. Let's go for USA 30. Same picture. We hit the Bollinger Band. We had a crossover over here. But my RSI is not confirming the direction. So next one, Italy 40, my running horse for the last 3 days. For the last 3 days. Also today it brought us some profit, but afterwards throughout the day it was just ranging in a very narrow channel. So for me, it wasn't the best setup to enter another trade on Italy 40 because with this kind of small movements over here, I don't expect big profits. So Nasdaq looks good after the results coming out from the States. You see over here we had again a crossover. I see also the RSI has a uptrend slope. What do you think, guys? Shall we enter here? I think it's confirming. I think it's confirming. Yes, I think it's confirming. It crossed over on the unsold area, so it's most likely the price to go up. Our RSI is showing an uptrend. Yes, I will go. I will go over here for a buy position. I will go for a buy position. Yes, I will go for a buy position. There we go. We went for a buy position. Yes, we went for a buy position here. So we went long on S&P. We went long on S&P. The results are very positive from the States. So I expect also when you mix up the fundamentals and the technical analysis, everything shows an uptrend. So I go long on Nasdaq. So I went on S&P. We went long at the price of $2,755. And let's put our stop loss and our take profits. For that, I will have a close at longer term at 2,755. Yes, this is what I would put as my take profit. 2,775. Yeah, 2,775 is a good number. And our stop loss I will put at 2,730. There we go. There we go. We modified it. And we will expect some ching over there. Let's see. We expect here some profits. And they will come. They will come. Stop loss and our target price. There we go. So for everybody who didn't join, please check on chat which trades I opened right now in this afternoon session. Also, don't forget to follow us on Twitter. It's #TradeMeA to follow us over there, so you get always throughout the day your updates about our tradings and how our tradings continue. So have an eye on #TradeMeA. Also, we have our nice YouTube channel. On our channel, you can follow our live trading sessions in case that you didn't have the time to take part on our session. You have the possibility to follow it afterwards also on YouTube. So let's go back to our DAX and check what happened over here. As I said, we had a crossover. We didn't modify our stop loss. So we had a crossover and the price started slowly to go up. Yahoo! And we will close our profits over there. So guys, do you have any questions? I don't see any questions. Either we are so good that everything is crystal clear, or you just hesitate to ask. Don't do that. Don't hesitate to ask us. I see Kyriakos would like to tell you some updates about his Forex positions. I'm passing right now to Kyriakos. If you have any questions, please write them on chat. So see you in a short while, guys.
Thank you very much, Elif. So, what I'm watching right now is Euro Yen. Okay, it's going to be violent, guys. I mean, the move that it will make, it will be a sharp move. Why am I saying that? You see here that our two moving averages, MA10 and MA50, are very close together. Number one. Number two, there is a very narrow trading range for the last few minutes. So this indicates that we have a transition from high volatility trading, you see here the size of the candles, to low volatility trading. And if I put now the Bollinger Bands, the indicator that measures volatility on Forex, I'm sure that they will be very close to each other. So whenever this happens, a violent breakout occurs. And we would definitely want this breakout to occur to the downside because we are entering short positions. So let me put the Bollinger Bands just to see what I'm saying here. So if I put the Bollinger Bands, let's put them in red color, for example, or let's put them in another color to differ from the MA. You see, they are very closely together, and you can see that if you narrow it down. You see here how close they are. And then an explosion occurred. So by using the Bollinger Bands, you can utilize them in order to see when to expect high volatility back in the market. So whenever we have a transition from high volatility, look how here how they opened, the upper band going up and a boom. The same for here, boom up. Now is this more or less the same case. I mean, they have narrowed too much. So we are waiting now for a violent move on Bollinger Bands. I'm just waiting for the confirmation signal to enter the market. We are looking for a bearish cross of MA 10 below MA 50. Let me switch off the Bollinger Bands. So, and also we are looking for some other confirmations on our checklist, MACD and RSI, for example, just to give a short position signal. Our dollar yen trade is doing okay. It's not moving basically, but currently we have managed to cover the spread cost and we are currently in profit. Euro dollar, it doesn't want to go down today, so we'll not force it. Dollar yen started to move eventually, We have shorted dollar yen targeting this level, and I think we will do the same for euro yen in a while. So this is what I'm waiting for euro yen. Most probably we will have a trade on euro yen. Most probably we will have it in approximately 10-15 minutes. So we will wait and see and update you accordingly. Also, not to forget, we are still monitoring dollar CAD for short positions, and also we are still monitoring any indication on pound dollar. So pound dollar today is a mess. I mean, look at that. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up. It didn't have a directional movement today, either positive or negative. So we are waiting also for pound dollar, and we have almost 1.5 to 2 hours left to place any more trades, since our trading session ends in approximately 3:00 p.m. UTC time. So we wait. Our dollar yen is doing well. We are waiting for a confirmation for short positions on euro and dollar and euro yen. So that's all for me for the moment. I will come back again live to update you if I have any triggering of positions and confirmation signals. For the moment, that's it for now. I will stay live. If you want to chat with me and ask me any questions on the chat room, feel free to do it. We are monitoring now our dollar yen trade. This is our third trade for the day. Hopefully we get 3 out of 3. But as I said before, the party is not over unless we hit take profit. Again, I want to stress out that if any one of you at any point wishes to close his or her position, either before a take profit is hit or before a stop loss is hit, is absolutely your own discretion to do that. My policy, I never touch the levels and I always leave the positions to run. But there are some times, for example, that the position might come here, does not hit my take profit, and then eventually result in a stop loss. So what I'm advising you is, whenever you feel comfortable with a trade, it's at your absolute discretion to close it before that. Are you happy with $300? Close it. Are you happy with $50 profit? Close it. What I don't want you to do is to be happy with $100 profit, but when losses come, close them above $100. So when you lose $200, and when you win, you are happy with plus $100. That's not a wise thing to do. If you have a strategy on take profit taking, you need to have exactly the same strategy, or even better, for stop loss taking. So that's all for me for the moment. I will monitor all the trades we have placed. Dollar yen is in the money. We are currently making $140, but there is still a long way to go just to reach our profit target, which again, it was set at 109.90 and around $763. If we have a take profit position, shortly before it hits, we will connect again and update you accordingly. Euro yen, we are still monitoring euro yen. Let's stay together. As you can see, we observed a bearish cross now of MA10 below MA50. Okay, this automatically gives us is the second confirmation we are looking for. I believe that we will have a trade in the next, not this minute candle, the next minute candle. I believe we will have a trade. Our take profit now, if this occurs, will be approximately around 129.38, but we will see. 129.38 will be our take profit. However, we need to check. It depends how this candle will close. It depends. If it closes just like that, then I think we will have a bigger take profit target around this level here, 129.33. But it all depends. We will examine all these options once we have the short position running. Now, we are not here to guess things. We see that clearly the MA10 closed below MA200. However, they are very close together. Now, if the price closes above MA50, then we need to wait again to close below and the MA to be below MA 200 in order to initiate a short position. Anyway, I have my button here ready. Most probably we will have this trade in 4 minutes as soon as it stays there. Otherwise, we will decide accordingly. So stay with us. We're having a trade in 4 minutes most probably, but I don't want it to fall down now because we are entering at the worst price. Let's hope that it holds there. Don't fall. Just stay there. And we will have the trade in approximately 4 minutes. I will update you in the chat room if I take the position. So Elif wants to update you on indices. So Elif, you can take over.
Thank you, Kyriakos. And a short update from my side before we go silent. Basically, on USA 500 on S&P, we opened a buy position, and it's getting there. As you see, we entered the market in the low price limit because of the stochastic oscillator, and right now it's getting there slowly. Overall today, until now, we closed 2 positions in the morning session, and we make currently $2,223. The other 4 positions which we opened in the morning, they are still running, and they will get there. So no big movements in the afternoon. My hopes were on the news. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, my hopes were on the news and the positive results out of the news, but no real action on this. Unfortunately, I got a bit disappointed, but as we always say on trading, if one asset doesn't work, the other one will do. We saw it the last few days on Italy 40. It was our running horse, and it brought us some nice winnings throughout the last few days, and we will keep going on it. So let's have a short recap again on all indices. France has a nice drop down, but no clear signal if this trend will continue or if this is the end of the trend. DAX, as I said, it had a drop down and now it's turning up. That's why we didn't change our stop loss level, and we will leave it run. UK 100, no big movements today afternoon. And the USA indices we just checked. Let's see, I have a short, quick look also on silver and gold. Silver had a nice steady uptrend, but not sharp, fast movements, very small and steady movements. Over here, we could have some nice entries. So gold, the same picture. The safe haven, as you know, gold is a safe haven. If everything else on the globe is getting crazy, gold is having a rally. Oil is traded also quite stable the last few days, as you can see, in a very narrow price range. Here you can only open high exposures and get profit from sharp trades, like get into the market, get out from the market, get in, get out, get in, get out. But for that, you need to be on top of it and really scalp. Yes, for today we keep. Guys, I will open another yes, I will open another Germany DAX position. I just opened another DAX position. No, I'm not crazy. I just trust in my skills reading the DAX, and I know it had a downtrend, and now I got a very low price, and I know that it will go up and we will get our profits on 4 positions, which we have currently open on the market with different entry levels. So we will get the money over here. I opened another DAX position for everybody who didn't have the chance to follow me. DAX long at the price of 12,811, and my take profit will be at 12,000. I will put the take profit at the same level as with the others at 12,867, and also my stop loss will be at the same level, which is 12,780. This is what I will put. So because I entered 4 positions on DAX, they will on different entry level. When the market moves up, we will get the profit of all 4 positions, and they will close at the same position, and we will have a ching ching party tonight. Ching ching. Yes, yes. Hopefully you will be on to inform you. If not, just follow us on Twitter, and I will keep you posted over there about our nice profits on DAX today. This is what I will be. So if you don't follow us on Twitter, #Trademy.com, #Trademy.com. Follow us on Twitter. Also, our videos are online on YouTube. Check out, in case that you didn't have time, just have a look on YouTube to see. So Thanos, what I think about gold. Gold was trading today. Let's see. As I said, it has a stable small trading, moving on the higher limits, but no clear reaction. Like, if you are a trend follower, you can follow the trend buy gold. But because I don't see a clear reversal trend or a follow trend, any clear signal that the trend will follow, I kept away from gold today, Thanos. That's the reason. Like, you're welcome. You're welcome. I see that Kyriakos would like to add some updates. If you wish, I will just pass you to Kyriakos, and I will update you later on about our DAX positions. So thank you, everybody, and we talk in a short while.
Thank you, Elif. I wanted the call to be transferred to me in order for me to show and explain the importance of checklist confirmation. For example, here, you must never be in a rush. We said that on Euro Yen, we said that we are waiting for a confirmation of a bearish cross of MA10 below MA50, which happened. But a condition on our checklist, we definitely want also the price to close below MA50. If you are in a rush and you are impatient and you short here, then you will hit stop loss. So I want to stress out the importance of the confirmation signals of the checklists that you are trading with. I have been trading for the past 13 years and I'm still using a checklist. And this is an example of a checklist with all the ticks. Okay? So adopt a checklist. Tick it. It's very important. If you want assistance on how to prepare a checklist, or even a one-to-one session on checklist preparation and money management rules and strategies regarding your trading styles, please feel free to arrange with me or with Elif a one-to-one session depending on which instruments you are trading. So it's very important to have a checklist. It's very important to have risk management and money management rules in place. And it's very important to write down and tick the checklist that of the points that you want to be filled when entering a long or a short position. How all this can be done? Very simple, by visiting our website at trademy.com. Our educational support team, they can offer you a free evaluation of your skills, of your experience, and of your trading style, because not all of us has the same trading style, and they will provide you with the best training program that has value to your needs and to your trading tactics, strategies, and to your skills. It doesn't have to be the most expensive one. Maybe for your trading tactic is the cheapest one. So please feel free to visit our website, see our training programs there, contact our educational support, and they will evaluate your skills and needs and trading tactics, and they will recommend the best that has value to you. Also, as I said, you can also arrange through them a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif in order to explain you live exactly how we trade Forex, CFDs, and commodities. So just an update for the euro dollar and euro yen trade. So far, we didn't get a confirmation for short positions. I see how euro dollar actually skyrocketed. Now, you will ask me, why didn't you go long? Simply because my checklist was for short trades today, not for long. Maybe tomorrow we go for long trades. Same case for euro yen. Most probably we will not have a trade on euro yen. However, we have traded dollar yen. Is doing okay. It still has a lot to do. I believe that the drop on dollar yen will reach our take profit target. Now, you will ask me why euro yen is going up and euro dollar is going up and dollar yen is falling. Dollar yen is falling because euro dollar is accelerating at a faster rate than euro yen. This means that the dollar is weakening against the euro at a faster rate than the yen does. So basically, there are three scenarios of a collapse, of a decline in dollar yen. This is the slow scenario. I mean, both euro dollar and euro yen going up, but euro dollar going faster up than euro yen. That's the scenario we currently have. Or the scenario for dollar yen to fall fast is for euro dollar to go up and euro yen to go down. And another scenario for dollar yen to go slowly down is for euro dollar to fall, but euro yen to fall at a faster rate. So for the moment, we have the first scenario where both euro dollar and euro yen are rising, but the euro dollar is rising at is accelerating in price at a much faster rate than euro yen. So this is how we calculate the acceleration factors between crosses and majors. So how do we derive with dollar yen? If you just divide the rate of euro yen divided by the rate of euro dollar, you will get the rate of dollar yen. So we have very good educational packages and videos on how to find out the acceleration factor of FX pairs. It's a sector that I specialize with, and feel more than free to contact me personally if you wish. As Elif mentioned, we are more than happy to have you as a subscriber on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter at #TradeMA, and also we are YouTube's and we are on Twitter, and also we have our website that I have just provided there. So that's it for me for the moment. I think we will pause now. There are no any further updates. However, if we see any other trading opportunities, we will contact you directly. And of course, we will connect live when dollar yen or any other trade approaches to close or whatever. I'm not closing the positions. I'm leaving them overnight. As I said before, I will say it again. If any one of you has followed us on these positions and you are happy with your profits, please feel free to close them beforehand. That's it from me. Thank you very much, and stay online. We will be live. You can use the chat for any questions, and if we have any updates, we will come back live and talk to you live. Thank you. Okay, we are back live. As we can see, dollar yen trade has approached our take profit target. Let's switch to the 1 minute chart and check and see how the trade develops. Now, basically, we are just 5 pips away from our take profit target, actually 7 pips away. Remember that the short positions are closed on our ask price. So we are just 7 pips. The good thing is that price has broken the round number of 110 and is going down. So we are here live in the live trading room. Most probably we will experience our 3rd consecutive winning trade for today. That's 100% success rate for today for Forex pairs. It's a good day for us, but as I said, the party is not over unless we hit and close TP. So we are monitoring live. Let's check the euro yen and euro dollar if they give any signals of reversal. Nothing. Dollar cut, nothing. So let's concentrate, guys, on our trade on dollar yen. So we are on the 1 minute chart. As you can see, the price is approaching our take profit level. MACD and RSI are great. I think we will have a sharp decline down the next few minutes, and then we will hit our take profit and then start to go up. But as I said, we need to observe that really happening on the chart. So all eyes are on dollar yen. We are just 7 pips away from our take profit price. So let's see, come on, we are just 6 pips away from our take profit price. Let me check my confirmations once again in case we have made a mistake. No, everything is fine. So we are just 5 pips away now, waiting for the take profit trade to close, the take profit order. So be patient. As I said, if you want to close your trade now, be my guest. I never do that, but if you're satisfied with the profits, go ahead and do it. So we are 5.5 pips. You see, here is the ask price. Remember that any short positions are closing on the ask price. So on the charts, we are looking at the bid prices, not the ask prices. So what you see here is the bid price, not the ask price. You see here is 94. Here on the ask price, we have another price, so is 96.4. Our take profit is 90, so we are looking for 6.4 pips for the price to fall in order for our take profit order to be triggered. So we need to be patient. All the indicators are okay. We don't have any worries. So far, so good. So let's wait. So guys, we are getting there. We have 6 more pips. Come on, I expect a sharp decline now on the 1 minute chart. So a bit bigger than this one. Come on. I have to be patient. Let's see. Maybe this candle. I'm here with you and I will update you as soon as the trade closes. Okay, I'm here. So now we are just 5 pips away, waiting for this trade to close. This is the third trade for today. Short trade on dollar yen at 110.068. Take profit at 109.90. Stop loss 110.23. Aiming take profit for, let's see, $763. Risking $736. We're here waiting the development, watching live now, the development of the trade, the short trade we have placed on dollar yen. The ask price is just 4.5 pips away from our take profit order. 4.6 pips now. Let's see how it develops. $3.8 now. We are looking at the ask price because we have a short position, not the bid price. Any short positions are closed on ask prices. A break is expected from this bottom. We are patiently waiting for the price to slowly decline towards our take profit order. Now, if this is the case, okay, you need to wait for the take profit to be hit. Don't change anything. Now you will tell me, is it wise to risk $600? Why don't you lock some profits? That's any good thing and a bad thing to do, okay? Because maybe the price goes here, hits your locked profit stop loss, and then falls down. So as I said, I don't move stop loss and take profits. Whenever you push the button, my philosophy is you either hit stop loss or you hit take profit. If you can withstand the losses, then there is nothing to be afraid about. So we're just 3 pips away from our take profit trade, take profit order. Now we are just 2.5 pips. You saw that the bid price have touched it, but the reason why it didn't close is because of the spread. And on dollar yen, we have 0.8 pips spread. So let's see. Let's wait for it. It comes down slowly. We are just now less than 3 pips away from our take profit. 3.5 pips again. Let me have a quick look on Euro Yen. Okay, we might have a short position on Euro Yen as well. Okay, let's check and see. We just need a bearish cross of the EMAs, but let's see dollar yen for the moment. Euro Yen. Maybe in 15 minutes we will have a short position on Euro Yen as well. Okay, now the bid price has reached our target. The ask price did not. We wait. Okay, what I will do, I will close it because there is something wrong with the beta spread. It's not 0.8. So let me close it, guys. Now let's wait. Let's wait. You see, it's actually 2 pips. It's 91 with 93.6. Let's check here. No, it's absolutely fine. So let's wait. We have 0.9 pip spread, basically. Patience. Okay, it's trying again. We're just 2 pips away. Just 2 pips away from our take profit rate. Come on. Break. 1.5 pips, 1 pip. 0.8 pips, 0.5 pips. Break. Break. Just 1.3 pips. Patience, patience, pace, patience. 0.4 pips, 0.5 pips. Come on. We want a big drop. Drop. We are so close to the profit. We are so close to the profit. Just 1 pip away. Just 1 pip. 0.8 pips now. $0.3 pips now. We are waiting for this price to write 900. Now is the time. One more drop down. Come on. Drop. Okay, here, there it goes. There it goes. Let's check Euro Yen. Most probably we'll have a short position on Euro Yen. That's our 4th position for the trade for today. Let's see how it goes. And we are monitoring now live our dollar yen trade. Just for 0.3 pips, we didn't hit stop. We didn't hit take profit. Now it's going a bit up. We are getting there. Just 2 pips, guys. 2 pips. All right. Let's wait then. Euro yen, euro dollar, euro yen. Our dollar cut position. is not ready yet. And pound dollar, let me check and see if I have a pound dollar set up. No, we don't. So let's wait. Dollar yen. Five pips now away from our take profit trade. Take profit order. All we need is patience. All right, let's wait. Now, for euro yen, the same scenario applies. We had a close below MA50, so again we are waiting for a bearish cross of the moving averages to initiate short positions together with some confirmations from MACD and RSI. So most probably we will have a fourth trade in a few minutes, a short position on euro yen as soon as the prices stay below MA50 and of course MA10 crosses below MA50. So we are monitoring also euro yen. Euro and dollar is still a long way to go, for a short position. And I repeat, we have a dollar yen trade. It's trying to go again lower. So we are just 2.7, 2.8 pips away from our take profit trade, take profit order. So basically we want the price to go a bit lower than this candle because of the difference on the spreads. So it's giving it again a try. So just 2.3 pips away from our take profit rate. Be patient. In the majority of the times, patient pays off. So that's my strategy. Never close a position before a take profit is hit, no matter what. But let me repeat myself a lot of times I say that if any of you, because you need to be very disciplined in Forex, and sometimes people get overexcited with profits. So if you feel okay with the profits, you can close them at any time. Sometimes this will benefit you, sometimes it will not. So let's see euro yen. Most probably we will have a euro yen trade in approximately 10 to 15 minutes from now. 10 to 15 minutes from now. A short position trade for euro yen. So it's getting ready. Dollar yen is just 2.5 pips away from our take profit price. Patience is the key to success. So we're closely waiting for this trade to close. 2.6 pips away from 764 US dollars. So we're waiting for the price to hit our take profit target. Let's see. So until this is done, again, we are monitoring the euro yen trade. Don't get obsessed with one trade. There are plenty of opportunities. There is no need to stick your eyes on one trade. Switch the screen. This helps a lot. So basically, let me repeat what I'm waiting here. I'm waiting. We had a close below MAs. I'm waiting a bearish cross of the MAs, and according to confirmations of MACD and RSI, most probably I will go for our fourth trade today, short position, and see what we can do for you. So let's see. Dollar CAD, nothing. Dollar yen, we wait. Pound dollar, nothing to observe, nothing to say. You see, pound dollar is a mess today. So that's why our trading setup was not triggered. So we are waiting patiently for dollar yen take profit order to be hit. In the same time, we are waiting for a bearish cross of the MAs of euro yen in order to initiate a short position on euro yen. And based on our criteria and checklists we currently have, this might occur in approximately 10 to 15 minutes as soon as the prices stay below MA 50. Euro dollar, small consolidation phase here. Let's see how it reacts. Euro yen starts to go up a bit. That's why it has driven dollar yen a bit up, but nothing to worry about. So we'll stay live and see how dollar yen trade behaves at the end. Just 4.5 pips away from our take profit price. All right. Okay, it's getting ready again to test the previous daily lows, the lows here on the 1 minute chart. 4 pips away. Come on, maybe in this candle we hit take profit, guys. I expect a big sharp decline like this to happen now. It's a key level now for the 1 minute chart. So 3.8 pips. It's trying again to break lower. 2.7 pips. 2.3 pips. We want the price to go a bit lower, the bid price to go a bit lower than this level here. So there, if it goes there, our take profit should be hit. Let's see. Just 2.6 pips away, 2.5 now. It's going down again. Let's check at the same time euro yen. Let's check euro dollar. Started to go up, that's good. Euro yen is going up. Just 2.4 pips. But because both euro dollar and euro yen are going up, that's why you see this slow decline on euro yen. If euro yen drops suddenly, then we will suddenly take profit. But for the moment, we slowly go down. And it's going again. We are just 1.2 pips, 1.3 pips away from our take profit. 1.5. Patience. 1.1. Half a pip. Come on, do it now. Just 1 pip away. Less than 1 pip. Now is the time for you to break. Come on. Go down. Don't go up again. Go down. Yes, and we hit take profit. So you see, patience pays off. And that was our third trade for the day. $764. Stay with us. Maybe we have a fourth trade. Today we hit 3 out of 3. Let's see, and a total of $2,000 for today on profit on Forex. So stay with us. Maybe we have another trading opportunity on Euro Yen. For the moment, I will mute myself, and if I have any updates, I will update you accordingly. So we are back again, most probably for our fourth trade for today. We are ready these 5 more minutes to enter our fourth position for today. Everything is ready, absolutely ready. As soon as we close right there where we are now, we are ready for a short position on Euro Yen. We just need one more confirmation. Let's see if we get it. If we get it in the next 4 minutes from now, 4.5 minutes from now, we will enter our short position. Let's see if we get it. So you are watching live Euro Yen Trademy trading room. This is the Forex trading desk. My name is Kyriakos Karelau, and so far we had 100% success rate on Forex trades today just by viewing the account history. We have shorted in the morning before the live trading room starts, 5 lots Aussie dollar, we hit take profit. We have traded, however, with you dollar CHF, $1,000 profit, and dollar yen closed a few minutes ago, again with $760 more or less profit. Total profits for the day are about $2,370 for today, not bad at all. And now we are entering our fourth trade for, it's going to be short Euro Yen. We just want this, and it's going to be huge money now, guys. It's a huge trade, lots of money as soon as we get the final confirmation from our checklist. So everything looks fine. We had a cross below. Let's see. We need to wait either these 5 minutes or the next 5 minutes. We will short it. For the moment, we wait for the confirmation. Probably the next 5 minutes we will short it. Let's see how it develops. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Come on, when the bearish cross, don't fall too much low. Don't fall. Wait for us to go short. Wait. We still have 2.5 minutes. Wait for us. Don't be in a rush. Okay, let's wait. Stay there. Stay there. Don't fall. Stay there. Don't fall. So we are going for a take profit of approximately, let me see. We are going for a take profit close to 129.15. So our take profit will be 129.15. That's right, stay there. 129.15. So we are looking for 2.5 minutes more to enter 129.15 is our take profit. So we are getting ready for a short position on Euro Yen. Our stop loss will be decided. Our take profit has been predetermined at 129.15. Just wait there. Just wait there. Don't go away. So we wait patiently for the 5-minute candle to close. Just 1 minute left. Just 1 minute left. Wait. Now our stop loss, let me see the stop loss. What was the highest of this candle? 58, 60, 65. 65. Okay, 65. We wait for the trade we will open the trade now, just in 1 moment. 125.65, and we will open our short position. Wait, don't fall. Just 20 seconds more. 129.65 is our stop loss, and we are looking at this trade right now. We definitely want to trade that. So let's short it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have just shorted euro yen. Take profit 129. Stop loss 129.65. Thank you very much. Enjoy it, and I will come back later.
you.